Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links and things where I keep my linky stuff. Patreon, PayPal. Trying to keep the place. Notification bell because reasons. Try to post at midnight or go live 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching. Update. The inside better than it was. And it's tight against the house. Everybody wants to be famous. Drove the 8-inch lag bolts out. Put 4x4s in the pylons. Used 3.5-inch 3/8 lag screws. Punched them in. I am not drilling new holes. I'm not drilling all the way through. And I'm not driving a spike all the way through. Everybody's got an opinion. So, changed my mind. We're going lag screws. Into the old ones. The new ones are cut. I didn't do that one because reasons. It's going to be covered up anyway. Who cares? Far side was a bit of a pain, but brought him up too. Whole damn thing is level and square. Send the screws home. Send them home. They got raised. Yay. We can call this day done. Yeah, that's what I was after. No, I'd say 3/8 of an inch. That's what I was trying to do. Brought it up, leveled it out, moved it about 1/4, and most definitely closed that gap. Much better. Simple, simple, simple. Just a big pain in the butt though. Awesome, much goodlier. This is Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Find the links for things where I keep all my linky stuff. Notification bell because of reasons. I try to post or go live 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. Try to every day. Patreon, PayPal. Trying to save this place. Oh, and I didn't need any pills to get it up either. I need them now for my neck. My shoulder's gone. My back. My knee. Gatorade and a nap, man. Bye.